you go, Toyota Tundra 2004. Tires and wheels are in excellent condition. Seems wheels are brand new. Bed does have some dents. Paint is in okay condition. It's a V8. License plate. Okay, tires. Does have some scratches. It's missing this glass. There's the interior. A little dirty, not too bad. Does have the check engine light. Power windows. Power door locks. It runs good. It does need, I'm gonna say, the smog, but it won't pass smog until you actually fix a catalytic converter issue. That's the code that was giving us. We're not sure if it's an oxygen sensor or the actual catalytic converters, but I will post the code up as well. This is a VIN number, guys. AC seems a little cold, not too cold. CD player. See that knob there. Again, 17. The motor was replaced. We do have paperwork stating the new motor that's in it now. It has 100, I think it was 127,000 miles, I'm gonna say. But we do have that, and we do have the records with the mechanic that got installed and pictures of the motor that was removed. So we do have those documents. Like I said, the check engine light's on, and airbag light thing keeps flickering on and off. It is missing a sun visor. Other than that, it's a pretty cool truck. Drives great. You know.